Quadrilateral part 2. Here in this given figure of the quadrilateral, the angle A and angle C do not have the common arm. If we write the name of the angle A, we can understand the arms here, DAB, or you can write BAD. So these two are the arms of the angle, and BC and CD are the arms of the angle C. So these two angles do not have any common arm. That time such angles are called as the opposite angles. So angle A and angle C are opposite angles. We will get one more pair of the opposite angles, angle B and angle D. ABC. This is the angle B. So arms are AB and BC, and the angle D has the arms AD and DC. So they do not have the any common arm. That's why these two angles are also called as the opposite angles. Opposite angles do not have the common arm. For example, angle P and angle R. This is the symbol to write the name of the angle. There are two pairs of the opposite angles, P and R, S and Q. Understood it? Adjacent angles have a common arm like P and Q. There are four pairs of the adjacent angles. Each quadrilateral has the four pairs of adjacent angles and two pairs of opposite angles. Let's see the adjacent angles P and Q, angle P and angle Q, angle Q and angle R and angle S and angle P. These are the four pairs of the adjacent angles. Let's move on. Now in this quadrilateral, side AB and side AD have a common end point A. Side AB and the side AD, they have the common end point or common vertex. This A vertex is common in between these two sides. That time that sides are called as adjacent sides. So these two sides have the common vertex. That's why these sides are called as the adjacent sides. This side BC and the CD, here they have also the common vertex C. This side BC and the side CD have the common vertex C. So this is also another pair of the adjacent side. Here side AB and side BC have the common vertex B. Side AD and the side DC. AD and the DC have the common vertex D. So these are also the pair of adjacent sides. So adjacent sides have a common end point, or you can consider as a vertex. And there are four pairs of the adjacent sides. Okay, first one, side AB and side BC. Second, side BC and side CD. Third, side CD and side DA. And last one, side DA and side AB. These are the four pairs of adjacent sides. Now this side AB and side CD do not have the common vertex. If you see here, AB and CD, this side has the endpoints A and B, and this side has the endpoint D and C. Do they have a common endpoint? No. So such sides are called as the opposite sides. So side AB is opposite to the side CD. Same way, the side AD and side BC are also the opposite sides. So each quadrilateral has the two pairs of opposite. First pair is AD and BC. Second pair is AB and CD. Understood it?